Style look, mixed metals. Hi, I'm interior designer Jennifer Farrell. Today we're at the Calibu home and vineyard that I designed. Throughout the rooms, I used the mixed metals design trend, which is about using different metal finishes. Here are 3 tips to get that look. Number 1, pick a primary finish. In this home, I used black or gunmetal gray as the primary finish. We have outdoor lighting fixtures in black tones, interior gunmetal gray kitchen island pendants, and black finished geometric pendants in the walk-in closet. 2, choose 1 or 2 accent finishes. Limit the mix of metals to 2 or 3 finishes to avoid visual clutter. In the kitchen, I used a brushed matte brass hardware on the grayish cabinets in combination with the gunmetal gray pendants. By limiting the number of metal finishes here, you get a stronger visual statement. Number 3, don't mix shiny with matte. Shiny and matte finishes can sometimes clash with one another, so avoid mixing them. For example, don't use a glossy chrome finish with a matte silver. Instead, try mixing a matte black with matte gold, or a brushed silver with brushed gold. The resulting mix will look intentional and be more visually coherent. Try these design tips for yourself. Find more inspiration at lampsplus.com.